Harley-Davidson Superlow. Best cruiser motorcycles for beginners. So you are a new rider looking for a cruiser motorcycle? That's an excellent choice. Cruisers are great first bikes for several reasons. We bet you'll love the power, the low weight and, yes, the style. Some of the best cruiser motorcycles for beginners combine it all. Think sleek urban looks, a rugged vibe and a relaxed attitude. Best of all, entry-level cruisers look and feel just as powerful as their bigger counterparts. In fact, some of the best beginner cruiser motorcycles are perfect for growing in. As you drive more and more, you develop your skills. Once that happens, your entry-level cruiser may start to feel like a serious road bike that can do almost anything. If you choose your first beginner cruiser wisely, chances are you'll be riding it for years before you want to upgrade. Top choices for the best starter cruiser motorcycle. While the entry-level cruiser motorcycle market is huge, we looked at some classics that are lightweight and medium weight. We then evaluated the reliability of the bikes. We also looked at the most renowned brands and models. Finally, we took price into account. As a new rider, you probably don't want to part with $10,000 and more for your new bike. Without much further ado, here are our top picks for beginner cruiser bikes. Harley-Davidson Superlow. Harley-Davidson Superlow, best cruiser motorcycles for beginners. We'd be remiss if we didn't mention Harley-Davidson, the undisputed king of cruisers. If you want an authentic, all-American, classic cruiser motorcycle, check out the Harley-Davidson Superlow. Now, most HDs are huge, powerful, and, frankly, intimidating if you're a new rider. The Superlow, on the other hand, makes for a perfect beginner cruiser motorcycle. Its 883 cubic centimeters engine is a beast, for sure, but the build and the design of the Superlow makes it beginner-friendly. It's surprisingly agile, easy to maneuver, and feels great even if you're a completely new rider. It's like a schoolmaster motorcycle, it'll teach you the basics, and when you're ready, it'll take you for an unforgettable ride. Harley-Davidson Superlow is also one of the most affordable HD cruisers out there. At a price point of $8,699, it's a great beginner cruiser that carries a classic name. Its low center of gravity will help you gain confidence as a new rider, and its stunning looks will earn you plenty of double takes when you're out there riding. Harley-Davidson Superlow pros and cons. Pros: a classic, despite its large engine size, beginner-friendly, easy to handle, well-designed, superior build quality, a statement brand. Cons: more expensive than most beginner cruisers, may be a little too heavy and powerful for complete newbies. Specs: displacement, 883.0 ccm, 53.88 cubic inches. Engine type, V2, 4-stroke. Engine details, air-cooled, evolution registered. Power, 52.3 HP, 38.2 kilowatts, at 5,750 RPM. Torque, 74.6 Newton-meters, 7.6 kgfm or 55.0 feet lbs, at 3,750 RPM. Compression, 9.0:1. Bore stroke, 76.2 by 96.8 mm, 3.0 by 3.8 inches. Fuel system, injection. Cooling system, air. Gearbox, 6-speed. Transmission type, final drive, belt. Clutch, multiplate with diaphragm spring in oil bath. Driveline, chain, 34/57 ratio primary drive. Fuel consumption, 4.60 liters/100 km, 21.7 kilometers per liter or 51.13 miles per gallon. Exhaust system, chrome, staggered, shorty exhaust with dual mufflers. Front suspension, telescopic fork. Rear suspension, twin shocks. Front tire, 120/70 ZR18. Rear tire, 150/60 ZR17. Front brakes, single disc. Optional ABS. 2-piston caliper. Rear brakes, single disc. Optional ABS. 2-piston caliper. Wheels, black, split 5-spoke with machined rim. Dry weight, 544.5 pounds lbs. Seat height, 648 mm, 25.5 inches if adjustable, lowest setting. Ground clearance, 100 mm, 3.9 inches. Wheelbase, 1,501 millimeters, 59.1 inches. Essentials for a cruiser owner. Now that you have your top 5 picks for the best cruiser motorcycles for beginners, let's talk about a few essentials to keep in mind. Here are a few things to remember as a new bike owner. 1. Maintain your motorcycle. Buying the bike is the first step, but regular maintenance is crucial if you want to keep it in top condition. As a new rider, you may want to trust your dealer and have the service handled by professionals. However, if you're mechanically inclined, check out our motorcycle maintenance tips for beginners and take care of your bike yourself. 2. Get good equipment. Riding a motorcycle is fun, but it also carries an inherent risk. Once you've bought your first motorcycle, you should definitely invest in high-quality, protective motorcycle gear. Sturdy over-the-ankle boots, protective pants and jacket, gloves and a good helmet are a must to stay safe on the road.